My name is Lauren Falk. I'm a program manager at the ZenX Foundation. One of ZenX's flagship programs is called the ZenX Literacy Project. And what the ZenX Literacy Project is it's an in-service teacher development program that works to support the literacy teaching practice of foundation phase teachers in both home language and English first additional language. The areas that is a challenge for a number of interventions is how one drives change. And we were looking for a service provider that could help us deepen the kind of literacy training that we were offering to foundation phase teachers. We asked NLF to come and help us conceptualize a program at training level as well as coaching level on how we could work together with teachers to improve and deepen their literacy practice. In the ZenX Literacy Project, NLF's role is to coach our service providers and support them to deliver the coaching component of the ZenX Literacy Project. There's no doubt that through NLF's role in this project, all the different implementing partners have learned something from NLF. We have all sort of subliminally imbibed the grow conversation, the sort of, what's the goal, what's the reality, what are the options and what's the way forward. And so we can see that even when we're developing an agenda for a meeting, we are applying those techniques. What NLF has also done is engendered the same passion amongst the service providers themselves. So they have gone through a personal journey. The value that we are deriving from NLF's partnership is not just in supporting to improve teachers' literacy and language practice, but we've all developed. And it's that kind of sort of holistic capacity building that is the power of what NLF's doing, and is the power of this project, because all of us are learning all the time. NLF has bought into the outcomes that the ZenX Literacy Project is driving as much as we have, and so there is 100% ownership, there is 100% involvement, and that's been a very valuable, enabling and supportive relationship that as a program manager I've really valued. The other value that NLF has brought to this project is what in our work can we contribute to the system, and specifically in this case the Department of Basic Education. What in our practice can we share with them that we've learned that is good practice, and that they may consider taking up for themselves. One of the examples of that is the work that they are doing around the data dashboard. Where that fits in within the ZenX Literacy Project is that our schools are also involved in the data dashboard work, and part of the work that we are doing together with the HODs and the teachers is how they, in their peer discussions, in their management discussions, can have what's called a data-driven discussion. We're finding that we are able to provide a holistic approach to teaching, and that the whole data dashboard work adds value to the kind of outcomes that we're driving in the ZenX Literacy Project. In that innovation space, we are working very hard together with our partners to develop a model that we can share with government and with other donor partners, anybody that wants to work in the literacy space. And we're hoping that in doing so, we are making a concrete contribution to the literacy and reading crisis that we are facing in South Africa at the moment.